Hi guys, my name is Stephanie Farron. I'm the Technology Facilitator at David W. Butler High School, and this quick tech tutorial is about the magazines that are now available in SORA for students and teachers to use. Now, a little preface to this, this link to the slideshow will be on our Media Center page. A lot of these magazines are young adults or elementary age children magazines, but remember that these can be used for a multitude of reasons. We have magazines that are in Spanish, so they would be great to use in an introduction to Spanish course. We have magazines that have recipes in them and crafts, so you've got young children at your house that you might want to look at, or you're a babysitter. These still are great magazine tools for all ages to use. So there are two quick ways you can get to SORA. If you've never used SORA before, you'll need to go through your NC EdCloud account and click Clever and go to SORA. But if you have set it up before, you simply need to go to the soraapp.com/library/CMS, and it should automatically log in and pull up SORA. You can search for any book in SORA, and you can also adjust your preferences. So what I'm going to do right now, my preferences, is change the format from any type to magazines, and then when I hit apply, it's going to show me all the magazines that are available inside of SORA. A couple of things that I think students would be particularly interested in are going to be the following magazines. Now, one of the things to note is that the magazines are going to be sorted by popular subjects here. So tech and gaming would be a one that I think you guys would probably be interested in. So I'm going to click that, as well as sports and music, TV, and music. So in tech and gaming, we have Minecraft World, Wired, Popular Mechanics, K-Zone, Games, the World of Puzzles, and PC Gamer. So those would all be interesting for students. If we go back and we look under sports, we're going to have Slam and I think Baseball America as two magazines that guys will like. We also have Car and Driver, and that is both in Spanish and in English. Under Movies, TV, and Music, we have Rolling Stone and Billboard Magazine. We also have HGTV. I don't know exactly where that will fall, but we can pull that up. Maybe Home and Garden. Yep, HGTV magazine. So you can either search for the magazine right here as if you were searching for a book, or you can use the sort preferences here. Let's look at fashion for mostly for our ladies. We have Girls Life. We have a few others as well. So you'll have to look into our list. But there are a bunch of magazines that you'll find interesting. Again, like I said, some are written younger than others, but they're still there and they're there for you to use. There are a multitude of issues too. So for example, if I type in Car and Driver, you'll see that Car and Driver is listed both in English and in Spanish. You can click either one. If I click on the title of the magazine, it's going to show the most current issue and what's in there. But if you look on the right hand side, you can click select an issue, and you can select any other issues of the magazine, the back issues as well. And if you click them and open them up, they're going to read just like a magazine. And again, SORA will open both in on your Chromebook as well as on a phone. So if you don't have the SORA app on your phone yet, you may want to put that on there so you can read your magazines and newsletters. All right, happy reading. Think about how you might be able to use these in your class content, and hopefully you'll find some good information with the new magazines available in SORA.